This is my smile before I went to North Oaks Dental. And this is my smile since I've been here. I didn't realize how bad a problem I had. I had a previous implant when I was 32, and I'm 79. And it was certainly an old-fashioned one. I didn't realize that there was decay under there. And he took x-rays and showed it to me. And it was much more extensive than either one of us knew until I got in there. It was almost like major surgery to me, what I had done. And the care was followed up, followed up, followed up. Their concern over me was genuine, and I felt very comfortable. The professionalism is outstanding. The people are friendly, you feel like you're family. And Dr. DeBoll is absolutely amazing as a dentist. Nobody hurts me. So that's why I come back.